So in this video, I'll be showing you how to make money with little or no subscribers. All you have to do is go to shortsmusic.net. Shortsmusic.net, I repeat. So in case you're not getting the name, all you have to do is actually check my description, as I'll be dropping the link to the website. Immediately you get to this point here, you can either sign up with your social media account, sign in with your Google account, that is your Gmail, or sign in with any other email. Since I already have a Gmail account readily available, so I have to go with the option of sign in with Google account. So I click on it. So immediately gets to this stage, all I have to do is actually select any of my Gmails I already have available. So I'll just go ahead and choose one of my Gmail accounts. And immediately I click on it, it leads me to a page telling me to confirm my Gmail. I go ahead and click continue. So from here, you can see your email account, then your nickname. You can go ahead and set any nickname of your choice. So let me just use Coach Fresh as my nickname. So in the phone number, you can actually select, depending on the country you're actually registering from, you can select any of the country. So I'll click Nigeria. So here, I just have to go ahead and fill in my number. Then click on I agree to the privacy policy and click sign up. So from here, you are asked to actually verify your YouTube channel URL. So that's to confirm if you actually own the channel or not. So all you have to do is actually paste your channel, or yeah, just in case if you do not know your channel URL, I will actually show you how to get that right now. So go to your about page. You will see for mine it's www.youtube.com/@coachpresh. All you have to do is actually copy this link here. Immediately you copy it, then go back to that box and paste it there. So all I have to do is actually paste what I've copied here and search for the channel. So after your channel has showed, what you should do now is click on verify. Immediately you click on verify, what you should do is copy this link here. Then head back to your YouTube homepage. On your YouTube homepage here, you will see customize channel. Then you click on it. Scroll down to the description area. Then in your description box, you can paste that link that you copied. Immediately you paste, you click on publish. Then you head back to shortmusic.net. Close this tab, then click on verify. Verify. After 90 minutes, it will automatically be confirmed. So what this site does at this point is actually check if you've actually pasted that link on your description. Immediately you've done that, it can now confirm that the YouTube channel belongs to you. So after about 90 seconds, you will see verified here. That is to say that they've confirmed your website. So all you have to do from this place, you can actually go back to your YouTube description and delete the link there, or you can also leave it. It doesn't really matter. So from there, how do you now earn money from this? All you have to do is go to music. So from here, you can actually click on copy, or you can download the music. Immediately you click on copy, automatically it copies the ID. You can scroll down and choose any music that you deem fit, any music that you like, that you would want to use for your channel. Then head over to your YouTube mobile app. So from here, I'm going to head over to my YouTube mobile app and show you how it's done. So from here, immediately you head over to your YouTube app. All you have to do is click on this plus icon here. For this video, then select it. So from here, I can actually adjust it, do anything I want to do. But for now, I'll just click on done. Then immediately it loads. All I have to do is come to this place here where it's written add sound and click on it. When it loads, and remember we copied the code earlier, so all I have to do is come to this search box here and paste the code, and automatically it searches it out. Like you can see, it's tick tick. All I have to do is click on it and add. automatically it has added. So all I have to do is click on this marked sign here so I can proceed to the next page. So from here I can click on next and add all my details. But in case if you want to reduce the volume, maybe the volume is too high, you can actually come here where the sound is and reduce the volume of the music. At least the site says it must be at least 15%. So let's just go ahead and leave it at 20% and click on good. Then from there we can click on next. Then we can go ahead and add all our description and click on upload short. So this, since you've already verified your site, this website have a way of actually tracking your uploads to know that you've actually uploaded the video from shortmusic.net. And from here, anytime someone watches your video with that music in the background, you are definitely going to get paid by shortmusic.net. So as not to make the video long, so I'm going to go ahead and show you the guide. So from here, you can actually come to the guide and read their description, their instructions that you can follow while uploading the video. If you've actually been promoting it and you've been earning money, so all you have to do is to come to this place, withdrawal. Immediately you click on withdrawal, you can come to withdrawals information. You can actually read all the reports, but come to withdrawal information. Come to withdrawal information where you can actually put your name. Make sure the name tallies with your account. So you can actually withdraw using your bank transfer or PayPal. So if you're using your bank, you can actually click on the country, select your country and type in the bank name, whichever bank name you are using. You can actually put in the account number, then the Swift code. If you do not wish to use the Swift code, maybe you do not know your Swift code, you can just come here and click on bank. Automatically you can enter your bank name, your bank address, and your account number. Then your phone number here that you used earlier in creating the account, you can actually put it there. Then in case if you do not want to use any of your local banks for this, you can actually use PayPal. Then if you're from a country that doesn't accept PayPal as means of receiving payments, all you have to do is actually click on my link. I'll be dropping a link in the description on which I actually taught how to actually create a working PayPal. You can actually use it to create a PayPal from anywhere in the world and start receiving money from it. So at this point in time, if you actually enjoyed this video, if you find the video helpful, kindly hit the subscribe button. See you on the next video. Thank you.